Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today, I am unboxing Casio vintage watch, model A168WEHA-9AEF. Let's get started. The Casio A168WEHA is a stylish and functional digital watch that embodies the classic design elements Casio is known for. Featuring a resin stainless steel bracelet, this model is durable and resistant to daily wear and tear. The watch has a distinctive champagne gold dial that adds a vintage touch, making it stand out among other digital watches. This model includes essential functions such as an alarm, stopwatch, and calendar, making it a practical choice for everyday use. The LED backlight ensures that the display is readable in low-light conditions. Additionally, its water resistance makes it suitable for daily activities, though it's not recommended for swimming or diving. Overall, the Casio A168WEHA combines retro charm with modern reliability, making it a versatile accessory that can complement both casual and formal outfits. How do you like this watch, and how would you rate it from 1 to 10? The battery in this model lasts up to 7 years. Casio vintage watches are not large. The case of this watch is 38 mm. My wrist size is 17 cm or 6.6 inches. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.